Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to report connection with slicer in pivot table. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create the pivot table. So simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. And the second we simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the full data. Then go to the insert tab. In tables group have a pivot table option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the from table or range option. Here, the one dialog box is open, the from table or range. Select the data, select a table or range. So range here automatically selected. Then choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. So select here the new worksheet and click on OK. That's it. Here the new worksheet is added with the right hand side the pivot table fields with the tab pivot table analysis and design tab. So you can create now your pivot table. So I just drag the fields below the area to create the pivot table. So I drag the product in rows and in columns. In the values, I just drag the total price. Okay. In filters, I just drag the date. Okay. So here I create one pivot table. Now I just select the pivot table and copy this Control C and I just paste here. Okay. So don't paste this way. Okay. I just remove again, delete this. Okay. Now select the entire pivot. What do you mean entire pivot table? Means with filters. This is the entire pivot table you select here. Okay. Now use the Control C. Now paste where you want. So I just paste here. Now you can see the pivot table fields also connected this second pivot table. So here I want to change here something. So I remove here the product. Okay. Now I add here the category. Okay. So now I just add the one slicer. So I just go to the pivot table analysis and in filters, insert the slicer. And here I add the category. Okay. So you can add anything here category wise or I just add here the category. Click on the category and the slicer is added with the slicer tab. Okay. You can use these formatting options to change your formatting of your slicer. So when you click on the any category, click on it, you can see the changes here. The categories filters. Click on this categories filters electronics. But if you want report connections, both report connection with the slicer, suppose when you click on the one category, this data also change accordingly the as per the categories. So if you want this, so just first remove these filters. Okay. I just remove this filter. After that, just select the slicer. Just click on the slicer here. The selection is showing see, the slicer is selected. Then go to the slicer tab. Okay. Then in slicer group have a report connection option. Just click on it. Okay. And here you can see the report connection dialog box is open. The two pivot table here showing. The one is a tick and second is a untick showing. So click on the second pivot table and you can now connect the both pivot table with this slicer. So this is the report connection. Just click on OK. That's it. Now just click on the category. So here's you can see the changes on the both pivot table. Okay. When I click on the furniture, see the furniture category, product and amount, and furniture category with the amount. Same as I click on the second category, electronics. So electronics category, product with the amount, and electronics category with the amounts. Okay, with total amounts. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.